Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Cuddle Together action in Heartopia. So this is a two-person action. I think it's like in the same theme as the Chishi Fair here. So select the event section here and then select the Cuddle Together. It says, during the event, perform a face-to-face two-person interaction with your friend. Accumulate 7 days to receive the limited exclusive two-person action with that friend. So it's only exclusive to that friend, but basically you have to interact with them for 7 days. It doesn't have to be every single day. So you have around 2 weeks and more to do it. So I'm just going to show you guys what the action looks like. You can actually see the preview here. So press this and press this again. And this is what the two-person action looks like. This is just like the preview with Azure. So yeah, that is how you can get it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!